Hi everyone, I'm Ariel Russo, Senior Product Marketing Manager here at PagerDuty, and today I'm excited to share with you some new enhancements to our SRE agent. So during an incident, there are many competing priorities requiring responder attention, and responders lose time swiveling between tools, leaving AI-gathered insights siloed. This disconnect slows resolution and inhibits continuous learning, leading to repeat issues. PagerDuty's SRE agent gathers signals from across your stack to help teams triage, diagnose, and remediate using memory from past incidents and using continuous learning to improve future responses. Earlier this year, we announced that we are putting the SRE agent on call as a true virtual responder. And since then, we've been continuously rolling out enhancements that make the SRE agent even better. Let me tell you about three big updates before we jump into the demo. So first, the SRE agent can now be intelligently triggered via incident workflows to conduct triage. This means that the SRE agent can be configured to jump into action the moment an incident triggers, or upon meeting criteria such as priority or severity. It joins the incident pre-armed with triage data and memory of past incidents to jumpstart analysis and remediation. And all of this can happen before a responder acknowledges the incident. Second, we'll also be introducing new configuration experiences in early access that make it easy to extend the agent's capabilities through connectors, tools, and skills. Together, these upcoming launches will allow the SRE agent to intelligently deduce troubleshooting steps before a human even looks at the incident. Third, we are announcing that users can engage with the SRE agent directly through the incident details page. This is in addition to Slack, MS Teams, or the operations console. So this means that wherever a responder needs to work, the SRE agent is there to support. So let me show you where this is heading. Note that some of these visuals represent features phasing in as part of early access, and the final product is subject to change. So let's start with getting our agent set up as a virtual responder. Here you see we have a condition trigger to start the workflow when the incident associated with a service is created or updated. From there, it will create a Slack channel to automatically add the SRE agent to begin autonomous triage and investigation before a responder is ever notified. So let's walk through the new configuration experience for agent connectors and tools. We plan to eventually have a similar experience for skills. Connectors let you plug the SRE agent into third-party data sources like Grafana, New Relic, Honeycomb, and more via MCP or API. Just enter your credentials and authorize. From there, you can select tools. Tools enable the agent to retrieve logs and metrics from observability platforms, in this case, Datadog, or pull context from knowledge bases like Confluence or GitHub. This gives the SRE agent the ability to perform more rapid triage and diagnosis. Finally, our upcoming support for skills will arm the agent with custom instructions and domain expertise, giving it the specialized capabilities tailored to your environment. Coming later this month is a Claude plugin in the Anthropic marketplace. Users will be able to rapidly create skills directly from within Claude that can then be leveraged by the SRE agent when users work directly from Slack or within the PagerDuty web platform. So let's take a look at how this comes together in the form of an incident. We already set up the agent to autonomously triage via incident workflows earlier. So when I click on the SRE agent icon in the incident details page, I can see all the information that it was able to analyze in the click of a button. Let's ask it to recommend a workflow based on this context. The agent determines the fixes to scale up instances. Past incidents indicate this worked 11 times before, so the PagerDuty SRE agent determines that this is the best course of action. So let's go ahead and run that recommended workflow. The agent confirms the automation was successful, and it resolves the incident. So here's how it all comes together. The insights captured during and after the incident feed back into agent memory, which can be accessed by the SRE agent. So the next time a similar incident occurs, the SRE agent has context from past learnings and can provide smarter recommendations. This is the continuous flywheel that turns every incident into organizational intelligence that actually prevents the next page. And this is how we're delivering on autonomous operations, turning today's incidents into tomorrow's prevention through data at scale, intelligent automation, and a flywheel that makes your operations smarter over time. Want to try some of the early access features that you just saw? Sign up at pagerduty.com/early access.